Do you want to add some extra personality and credibility to your Carrot website? One great way to do it is with a headshot photo of yourself with the background cut out, kind of like these images here. You may have noticed that some of our newer block patterns and templates come with these images, but they're images of somebody else. And of course, you want to add an image of yourself. Here's how to do it. So first, you're going to need the image of yourself, and we'll want to remove the background image. So to do that, you can do that with a number of different tools and software, image editing software. So if you use a tool like Canva, you can do it here. They have a great photo editor with a background remover if that's already a tool you use for your business. You can also use a tool like remove.bg. So here's how to do it. Basically, you upload an image. So we'll grab this before photo of myself, drop it in here. It does its magic of removing the background. And there we go. And then you're just going to download the image from whatever third-party tool you use to remove that background from your photo. Once you have that downloaded image of yourself, we'll go back into the Carrot dashboard. So here we're in the Pages overview, and we're going to edit our home page. So we'll go into Edit. And this is where we saw that preloaded block that had the background effect, but with images of different people. So here it is. So if you have one of those and you want to edit the existing block, you can come in here, we'll select this image, and you can see this option to replace. So we can replace from here, we can upload that image that we just created for ourselves. And there we go, the image is uploaded. Once you've uploaded this image, you can also use some of our adjustment tools. So if you want to change the alignment, crop the image, add text over the image, you can do that here. And you'll always want to save your changes. If you want to add one of those sections with the background image for your headshot, simply go to add a new block. You can go to this orange button here in the top left corner, go into patterns, and then go into about. Here's where you'll find that block that we just updated the image for, but we have a few other options as well. So you can simply drag one of these in where you want it to go on your page. And then you can use the same process to replace this image as well.